So different spin this week. This is the GoPro week. So people have said that I should try and take some film, so you'll see what happens later on in this blog. So again, the blog's about me going up Mount Ventoux. There it is. You've seen it before in the previous videos, and the video is really about me doing my Everesting. So if you remember, I'm Everesting. He is sort of Ventoux, 6,000 feet. There's Ventoux, 6,000 feet. Next to it is a 5,500 foot climb that I've got, that I'm going to do basically 4 times in my Everesting route, and I'm doing that route, which is roughly 2,000 feet climb in total. Last week I was up to 11,900, so I'm actually now up to about 14,000. So 14,000 feet towards my Everest total. The rest of the video is just some GoPro shots. Not very good, to be honest. The GoPro keeps cutting out, so I've not got the actual main bits. But we'll live and learn. It's the first time we've done it, and we'll see how we do. Decent week this week. Did 3 decent bike rides. Although I'm recording this 2 days late. It's Wednesday rather than Monday. Because I just couldn't get things to download from the GoPro. It's quite an old one, but we got there in the end. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll be back next week. So this week, I thought I'd try and use my GoPro to take a few pictures. So this is one of my rides this week. This one is round Langsett Reservoir and around there, and you can see me just cycling down from the car park on the reservoir here. Pubs to the left. Sadly, I'm going to go to the right. Onto the res. And it was a wonderful day last Thursday. I think it was Thursday or Friday? Thursday or Friday. And here's the res and blue sky. It's probably the nicest day of cycling I've had so far in terms of weather. We'll just have a look at what we see. So, I'm still on my mountain bike here. On the road for about probably half an hour in by this point, maybe a bit longer. Just have a look. I think seem to remember I stopped and had a look over the res, so I'll show you that, and then we'll jump forward a little bit to see what else there is. A couple of people there looking at the view. I think I'll just do the same thing. There you go. That's Langsett Reservoir on a late Friday in February. And then jumping forward to Monday, this is my Everesting route. So I'm probably 20 minutes in at this point. Turning up this is the last part of my first hill. So my Everesting route is about an hour and a half, 2,100 feet, and it's basically 10 minutes warm up. So 10 minutes climb to the top of this hill, and then we basically go up and down another hill 3 times, which is interesting. So this is me getting to the top of the hill. I'm about an hour and 50 minutes in so far. I'll just let you listen to, you can see I'm going from side to side as we get more closer and closer to the top, and we'll see what happens. I am sitting down at this time, believe it or not. It looks like I'm sort of jumping from side to side, but I am actually cycling. Sitting down, rather. So we'll see what happens as we get to the top. I'll keep quiet.
That's 1955 feet. That's that hill 3 times. And the first hill to get here. 10 minutes home. Whew.